Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Airbus A220 debuts, Airlines shift from 737 MAX and AMP, big Boeing orders. The aviation world is buzzing with major updates. Airlines are increasingly switching from the Boeing 737 MAX to the Airbus A220, citing efficiency and passenger comfort. Meanwhile, Boeing has secured fresh orders, signaling strong demand despite challenges. In this video, we break down the reasons behind the A220's growing popularity, the shifts in airline fleet strategies, and what these new Boeing deals mean for the industry's future. Stay tuned for exclusive aviation insights you won't want to miss. LOT Polish Airlines landmark A220 order in June 2025. LOT Polish Airlines announced its first-ever Airbus order for 40 A220 aircraft, 20 A220-100s and 20 A220-300s, at the Paris Air Show, with options for up to 84 total. This deal strengthens Airbus' presence in Europe and highlights the A220's appeal for regional efficiency. Airbus ramps up A220 production. Airbus more than doubled A220 deliveries in June 2025, handing over a record number as part of its push toward 14 aircraft per month by 2026. This ramp-up addresses backlog and supports growing demand from carriers like Air Canada, which ordered 5 more A220s in late 2024. Air Niugini expands A220 fleet. Papua New Guinea's national carrier, Air Niugini, signed for 2 additional A220,100s in May 2025, building on prior orders to modernize its fleet for domestic and regional routes. The A220's fuel efficiency and range make it ideal for island-hopping operations. A 220,500 stretch variant announced. Airbus confirmed the stretched A220,500 will enter service in the early 2030s, offering up to 160 seats and competing directly with Boeing's 737 MAX 8. This development, teased for years, aims to replace older A320 models while providing superior efficiency. Certification for higher capacity. A220 Airbus began certification in 2025 for a 160-seat A220 variant, with Air Canada as the launch customer. This upgrade enhances the jet's versatility for high-density short-haul flights, potentially attracting more low-cost carriers. Airlines considering switch from 737 MAX to A220 amid Boeing's ongoing challenges. Discussions intensified in 2025 about carriers like Southwest potentially replacing 737 MAX orders with A220,300s. A public petition urged the switch for better safety and efficiency, though Southwest recommitted to Boeing. Fuel switch issues on 737 MAX prompt inspections. In June 2025, the NTSB issued an urgent bulletin on potential engine problems linked to fuel switches on 737 MAX jets. Regulators in India and elsewhere mandated inspections. Akasa Air reported no issues after checks, but concerns linger from past design flaws. Boeing's strong June 2025 orders. Boeing secured 116 new orders in June 2025, including 343,737s year-to-date, outperforming Airbus in deliveries, 60 versus 63. This surge reflects recovering confidence despite quality issues, with total 2025 orders reaching 668. Korean Air's major Boeing widebody order. In March 2025, Korean Air finalized an order for up to 50 Boeing widebodies, comprising 20,777 9s, 20,787 10s, and options for 10 more 787s. Valued at billions, this deal bolsters Boeing's long-haul portfolio amid competition from Airbus. Cathay Pacific boosts 777-9 orders on August 6, 2025. Cathay Pacific added 14 more 777-9 passenger jets to its order book, bringing its total to 35. This expansion supports Boeing's Everett production site and highlights the 777X's role in post-pandemic recovery for Asian carriers. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.